Here we have an ASUS TUF 17-inch A17 model that came in for repair. And just when I'm recording, a phone call. I think it's a customer from Hawaii. He left us a note on the door. He came in this morning. Let me answer quick. Hello, this is Alex.
How you doing, sir? Thanks for answering the phone call. My name is Tom Tafola. I'm the one that left a note in the door. I come from out of state. I dropped off the computer. It's a PC, laptop, anything.
Oh, that's why I was not able to look up your name.
Yes,
I looked up your name. I was not able to find you. I looked up your number. I did not find you either. So which laptop was it?
It's like a gamer computer.
Okay, is it an ASUS? What brand is it?
Oh, Lord. It's in a black box. It's an original box.
Customer came in this morning and he did not find us. So he put a note on the window. He said he wants to check on the status. He came from Sacramento to check on the status of that laptop. A single email would solve his problems, but he did not send an email. What can you do? I told him we have a part on order. Hopefully that part will fix the issue. Not guaranteed, but we are very good at fixing ASUS laptops, and hopefully we can fix it for him. So right here we have another ASUS laptop that we are working on. This is the ASUS TUF 17-inch model A17. Let's read what the customer wrote. The customer wrote, referral YouTube. Sudden turn off, will not turn on. Indicator light that power supply is plugged in is not lighting up. Tried multiple power supplies. Power supply not lighting up is an indication that we have a short circuit on the board. ASUS TUF, but they are not so tough. The name looks tough. The build looks tough. Bulky. Looks like an armor. But it's a cricket. You step on it, it's done. Do not buy the name. TUF. They like to have those fancy names. Armor, TUF. What else? Predator. Alienware. And they all fail. To me, I would buy a laptop that is named Weak, Wimp. Those will probably last more. They will last longer. ASUS Weak. Have you ever heard of that model before? No. The connector is right here. And the DC connector is going all the way right here. That's our DC connector. I'm looking for nearby MOSFETs. And I see some right here. Now we can test in several places. Let me just quickly do this. Test the coil. Battery disconnected. 0.4 voltage drop. Oh, look at this. 0 voltage drop. 2 seconds in, and we already see that we have a short circuit. Wow. We are a few minutes away from fixing this laptop. Unless, of course, we have a problem with the CPU, GPU. Voltage injection tool on. We're going to inject voltage at one of the caps. They are all connecting in parallel. And we're going to monitor the board under a thermal camera and see what gets hot. Usually it's a V-core issue, whether it's a V-core for the CPU or V-core for the GPU. A short at the DC power MOSFETs is usually something going on with the V-core circuit. Usually. Not all the time. We have tons of videos where the problem is not V-core. Okay, so we're going to inject voltage at one of the caps. And look at this. I see it. You see, that's our CPU right here. Our GPU right here. And I saw a heat spot right over the GPU. See it? Right here, exactly here. Let's go under the microscope. It has to be this guy, a MOSFET. I do not know what type of MOSFET is used here, but we're gonna have to find out. And God knows what type of MOSFET this one is. We may not have exactly the same one, but a similar one would do. And this one looks like a dual MOSFET and not a regular MOSFET. Let's desolder the MOSFET and we'll take it from there. So we do have a dual MOSFET. And now we're gonna test for a short again. Right at those caps. And we do not have a short anymore. Man, I'm good at this. We pinpointed the bad guy, removed the component, and the short is gone. We are a few minutes away from having a working laptop as long as the GPU itself did not get hit. That's our GPU. Hopefully the GPU is still good. If that GPU received more voltage than it can handle, then it's game over. But hopefully not. So I have a donor board here. And we do have dual MOSFETs for the V-core, for the GPU V-core on this board. Let's remove one of them. No flux, no solder, nothing. We're gonna solder that chip dry so we can teach that board a lesson. No flux for you. Charger is plugged in. And look at this. We do see an orange light. I did not turn the laptop on yet, but we do see the orange light blink. I have the battery disconnected. Power the laptop on. And we have a backlight. I do not have the heatsink or fans connected, so the laptop may not power on. Let's wait. Or maybe I can just put a tiny heatsink on the back. Okay. Just for the time being. Push the power button. And I can feel the heatsink heat up. Are we going to get an image? It's taking longer than usual. That's not good. What's going on? Oh, it was actually on, but I could not see it from my angle. I thought the screen was off. I thought the screen was off. I could not see it from this angle. So we did fix it. Okay, awesome. And that's the heatsink I have on, covering both the CPU and GPU. And the laptop is fixed. Wow, that was an amazing fix. Let me shut off the laptop properly. Shutting down, so we do not corrupt Windows for the customer. Perfect. Awesome. We are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video. That was awesome. That was an amazing repair. I was born to fix ASUS laptops. Every single day. Similar issues.